Welcome to the Locutors. Second concept of saw then saw concept. Today we'll be discussing about the Union Executive which has been there into the part 5 of Indian Constitution. अभी तक आपने जो भी देखा है where the 52 is very clear on that. It says that there shall be a president of India. अब आपके on the same side article 153 भी कह रहा है that there shall be a governor for each states. ऐसे ही article 63 says that there shall be a vice president of India. Does that mean that there shall be someone and someone will be sitting on the post of such and such officer? The answer is no. The concept of the president which is there in 52 says that there shall be a president of India and this seat will not be vacant. Why? Because the traces has been found into the many of the provisions which has been there into article 52 to 62 which are very clear. If you move to the article 62 says that before the expiration of the term of the president, someone will be there to join as a successor. Otherwise, the president, whosoever will be the sitting president, he or she will not vacate the seat. If you will come to the second clause of the article 62, it says that if there is any casual vacancy, whether it is in terms of the removal, whether it is in terms of the termination, or whether it is in terms of the death or resignation or otherwise, it is very clear that the election commission has to do the election within the 6 months as soon as possible as what they have the time period. But if you look into the vice president, it does not say into the article 69 or article 68. It is very clear on that as soon as possible the election has to be conducted, but it does not prescribe the minimum and the maximum time for the same. It gives a sense that there shall be a president of India. Now question comes, who shall be there if the president will not be there? We made a stopgap arrangement and that stopgap arrangement is the vice president of India. Ab dekho, what is the sense of being as a vice president of India? What is he doing? Does he have any power? No. The answer is very clear after looking over the traces which we found into the Constitution of India. Article 63 is very clear that there shall be a vice president of India, but what will be he doing? He will be only the ex officio chairman, or he will be under article 65 holding and discharging the functions of the president if president is not there. But who will be discharging the functions of vice president? No one. It means that there shall not be a vice president, but there shall be a president of India and he should be there for every time, every act has to be done by, whether it is in 266 or 267, it has to be done. So there are so many concepts, there are so many lacunas which you will be finding into the Constitution of India. Go and check it out, the videos which we are uploading on the same. Like and subscribe my channel.